guys? Today, unboxing and reviews. And yes, I am eating, so I might sound weird. But let's get started. So let's let's start. Okay, let's get started now. Ooh, oh my gosh. Oof. Okay. And then I don't know what to do. It's so weird. Is there more tape? More tape. Is there more tape? Why is it not like that? Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay, got it. Okay, now it's time for the hard part. How do you get this thing out? Oof. Hey, first thing you do is cut all the side tape. Okay, I don't even know if I ever did do an unboxing on this channel. I never did an unboxing on any of my channels, but they all are deleted now. Did I do this one? Yeah, I did. Okay, let's see if this is going to be out. I did that, didn't I? I did. Say it again. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Let's do it from the bottom. Then, is it possible to do it from the side? I don't know. I don't know if it's possible to do from the bottom either, so let's stick. Yeah, the top of the box is kind of broken. What's holding you in? Okay, let's just bring you up. Oh, yeah, okay, now. Instructions, don't need them. Whoa. You kidding me? You're really kidding me. And why is there glue holding it? It looks like there's glue. Ew, what the heck? Look at the back of the spots. There's like glue here. Why is it like that for him? Okay, let's actually open from the front. And then the brush. Oh my gosh. These scissors are always covered in tape. I've been needing new brushes, so let's add it to the new one. Hopefully I could okay, so here's Jacob's and here's the new one. Ew, okay, Jacob's feels a lot different. So, one added here. And there's also these little cards in here. So, yeah, I guess. So, another one added. And now, and another one added. And I don't know what to do here. This is always fun. I love doing these. I like to take them. My mom wants to says I could take this stuff out, but she probably doesn't want it. But little does she know, this is so amazing. I love doing these. Take them out of the box. This was the hardest part, well, truly the hardest part of Jacob's box. Yeah, I got out. Glass hurts. Oh, can you hear me? Yeah, he has his own because he's Heartbreaker, as you guys already know from the other video, or it hasn't even been uploaded. So let's get the broccoli out. I'm getting the broccoli out, you guys. I got the pear out already. So you guys can't see most of this because I have to get all these out myself and try to do it. Yeah, I don't know if these are gonna actually fit, so let's take it out for a little bit. Okay, what's next? The diapers. Diapers are actually easy. So, oh, la dee la dee da 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 da. Why isn't this in here? I just put it beside me. Actually, it's too big, so let's not do that right now. There's so much of these piggy things. So much piggy. Who has that much time to make that much piggy things? I don't know what they're actually called, so I'm calling them piggy things. The diapers are out. Yahee! Yahoo! Oh, the diapers are gonna stay here. I'm gonna actually put them right there. This is just not really stare at yourself. So weird. Okay. Yeah, he's the only thing left. So, la dee dee, la dee da, la da 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 da. What kind of glue did they use? This is rubber. Ew, 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 it's so sticky. What kind of glue is this? La-dee-dee, la-dee-da. I'm going to put all the glue here because I don't like it. I never touched that, got that kind of glue in the life. La-dee-dee, la-dee-da. Strike one. Cuts through the box. Who does that? Do these people not want you to open this? That's the whole point. You need to play with it. Oof, this is the worst thing ever. Why is there glue stuck to him? Ew, there's glue stuck to him. La-dee-da. So he's almost out. Are you okay, buddy? He good? Yeah, he good. He good, bro. He good. He good. He look good too. He has this little curl on the back, which you can't really see in the front. But that's so cute. Have him sit down here because the glue basically disappeared. And I'm gonna put a diaper on him. So, so I don't know where he's gonna actually be staying. I don't know where he's gonna sit. So yeah, he's probably gonna have his own box. So, ladies down, ladies down, ladies down, ladies down, ladies. La di di, la di da. La di di, la di da. Don't need the instructions. Now let's literally have this sword here, so can you move a little bit? Sure. And guys, don't leave any comments of ages. And on my baby alive I want, you're supposed to comment ages and names if they don't have ages, or if they don't have names, or if they don't have both. So you're supposed to comment on those. So yeah. Wow, this is 11 minutes. Stare into their soul, people. Just realizes that there's Infinity War thing over there. And then this is Iron Man. Oh my gosh. Monopoly Cheaters Edition. And then there's Little Baby Alive. I want. The Play-Doh got cut off. Why did it get cut? Why did it get cut? I don't know. Hair is gonna have to be perfect like this. Why did my mom said his hair has to be like this forever and it never could get ruined? That means I can't take him outside. I'm just touching his hair like this so I could make him look good. Because his hair is a little weird on the little weird side. Let's put a diaper on him. Diapers. What do you do? What do you do? Get some scissors. Cut it too. That's what I did. So here it is. Get a diaper on him because it doesn't.